Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to resize an image in Photoshop. So it does not matter which version of Adobe Photoshop you have, you can follow this exact same method and you can resize an image very easily. Okay, so what you need to do is you need to go to the edit section here. First of all, open the image here. Okay, so once you open the image, go to the image option here in the menu bar, click on the image size. Okay, now you can see the width, you can see the height here, you can also see the document size. Okay, and you can see the resolution as well, pixels per inch. Now what you need to do is simply remove it from here, constant proportions. Okay, remove it from here. Now you can enter your width and your height according to your, suppose I am going to enter 1024. Okay, something like that, and the height is 1080. Okay, so it should be in similar proportions. Now if you are very sure about this width and height, then only you should enter. Otherwise, click on this constant proportions, then simply enter the width or simply enter the height. Suppose I am going to enter it as 1280, then it will automatically change the height to 720 and something like that. Okay, so that your image should look good and it should not go out of proportions. So this is how you can resize an image. So thank you for watching the video. Please like it and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.